Hello everyone, I'm Judhisti and welcome to Judhisti Rahul. Today's video is something different. In this video, we are going to discuss the conversation between two friends in a restaurant. The two childhood friends who haven't met for 10 years. After 10 years, they are going to meet in a restaurant and how they can make a conversation with each other. If you watch this video completely, then I'm sure that you can also make a conversation with your friend. So make sure that you're going to watch these two friends' effective communication skill as well as the conversation between them. So let's get going with the conversation. Hi Gopal, how are you? Is it you? Hello Dennis, I am good. And what about you? It has been a long time. I'm also good. Yes, it has been more than 10 years. By the way, what do you do nowadays? Currently, I'm working as an English professor in a private university in Delhi. Oh, this coffee shop is mine and I run this coffee shop. Okay, that's nice. What about uncle and auntie? They are no more. When I was in 10th standard, they left me. Oh, I'm really sorry for that. Okay, don't worry. It's my pleasure that I met with my childhood friend after 10 years. Will you stay here for some days or not? Yes, I will stay here for 3 days. After 3 days, I will return to Delhi. Okay, it's lunchtime. Let's get in my house. We will have our lunch there. Sure, come let's go. Wow, this food is so tasty. What it can be called? Yes, it is called the Masuri fry. Yeah, I will try it at my home. Yes, you can. Thank you, dear, for this so tasty lunch. I have to go right now because I'm getting late. Okay, definitely. We'll meet you very soon. If you do love our English conversation, then don't forget to like this video, share this video to your friends, and subscribe this channel because you will get this type of most valuable contents in this channel only to boost your spoken English. So I hope you have got the right conversation video to boost your spoken English when you are going to meet your friends. You can talk in English. We'll meet in the next video. Stay safe and stay tuned.